Okay, welcome back. Let me just get this set up. No, I always having trouble with this. Let's get this, 1 second. Okay, yeah, I think I got that. Too wide. Okay, welcome back. What I want to look at, continue to look at, I should say, is data handling and probability. Now, again, it's all part of engineering, and if you're in engineering, you've got to know mathematics. There's no getting away from that. And you need to know how to do a spreadsheet, and you need to know how to handle data, etc. It all becomes one of mathematics, but in a different standing and in different sections. Okay, so let's have a look now. Statistical diagrams. Statistical diagrams. Can I? Yes, if you can get rid of that here. Okay. Contains introduction, bar charts, pictograms, pie charts, questions. Okay. Here we are. Statistical diagrams. These are the different types of statistical diagrams: scatter graph, bar, line graph, bar chart, pie chart, frequency polygons, and pictograms. Okay. Bar charts. Example bar chart and table. Okay, simple enough. Most of you will be familiar with that, so I don't need to spend too long on this. Bar, line graph if you prefer. Okay. Bar chart questions. Draw bar chart for the following tables. Okay. Okay. Sorry, did I just miss something here? No. Okay. No. Oh. Oh. Ah. That's what you get when you try to look around the camera. Okay. Pictograms. Okay. Okay, and there we are again, just showing you types of programs, an example of pictograms and key. Okay, questions. Tables below show what type of program pupils watch. Draw a pictogram to represent these results. Okay. Answers to pictogram. Okay. Favorite type of program for Tenaro. Okay. You can see that Soaps still takes the lead with 50. Okay. Pie charts. A pie chart is a circle divided up into segments which are representative of the data. Example: BBC, ITV, Sky. Favorite channels. Two different ways of working out pie charts. There are two ways of working out the angles ready to draw a pie chart. The first is to work out how many degrees are needed to represent each person or each item. The second method is to work out what fraction of the total we are trying to represent and multiply this by 360 degrees. Now 30 people were asked which newspapers they read. The results were The Guardian 8, Daily Mirror 7, The Times 3, The Sun 6, Daily Express 6. Show these results in the pie chart. Example using way 1. Divide up to 360. There are 30 people in the survey, so 360 degrees equals 12 degrees. This means that each person gets 12 degrees of the circle. Look at the angle for each newspaper. This is very easy to do in a table. Newspapers, number of people, working angle. Okay. And you can see here that the Guardian is 8 times 12 equals 96 degrees. When you add these total up, they come to 360, okay? And that's what you'll be looking for. Example using way 1. Sorry, hang on. Just go back a little bit. Okay, got you. Now this is another way you can do it by drawing a circle, then put sectioning of the circle in turn in regards of the each degrees required. Okay. Example using way 1. Also again, newspaper sold. This just showing you a different method. Okay, but and giving you the same result. Here you have work out the total. 30 people took part in the survey, so the total is 30. Work out the angle for each newspaper by expressing the number of people as a fraction out of the total, then multiply by 360. Okay, and here you have number over total. Okay, the Guardian 8 over total equals times 360 equals 96 degrees. So you can see that we're getting the same value here as we did before. Okay, nothing more for me to do there. Okay, and this is just showing you again the example using way 2. Okay. Okay, this is just an exercise for you to do of your own accord as a learning process. Okay. And fill in the rest of the table. Okay. And here you have your answer. Okay. And again. So the largest number of people you can see walk. Okay. Okay, thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy this. Have a good day. Bye bye.